Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Dream on Me Karley Bassinet in Onyx, a lightweight and portable baby bassinet designed for both indoor and outdoor use. This versatile bassinet features a sturdy, lightweight aluminum frame that allows for easy movement from room to room and a quick folding mechanism for effortless portability. With roomy interiors measuring 34.5 inches long, 19.5 inches wide, and 37 inches high, the Karley Bassinet offers ample space for your little one, complete with an adjustable double canopy to keep pesky bugs at bay and a large storage basket for all your baby's essentials. Crafted from soft, safe, and comfortable polyester foam fabric, this bassinet is not only easy to clean but also available in 9 stunning finishes to perfectly complement your dream nursery. The included dual-sided, 1-inch thick mattress pad meets ASTM and CPSC recommendations and ensures a cozy sleep environment, while the bassinet itself supports newborns up to 25 pounds. Weighing just 12.4 pounds, the Karley Bassinet is as practical as it is stylish, making it an ideal choice for new parents seeking convenience without compromising on comfort or aesthetics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.